Atongoria matiganite magiakiriria bara ya kuhurana na njohi njikirire mukana gicigo-ini kia Mount Kenya. Mumbunge wa MATHIRA Wamumbi na Seneta WAHOME wa Matangi ni matongoririe muingi wa Karatina gubunja na guthukangia njohi ireti 400 cia njohi muthemba wa Diamond na katoni 1000 cia njohi muthemba wa Flying Horse iria ciahingiriirio thito-ini imwe ya munini wa County Commissioner wa MATHIRA ya irathiro. No riu ene kambuni ya guthondeka njohi ci PATIALA DISTILLERS ni maheanite mukana wa guthitanga atongoria ya makiuga ni mathukangirie indo ciao.
Unarmed women, 20 of them or 30, led by the area member of parliament, led by the senator, walked in. There was no breakage, there was no fire exchange, there was no artillery exchange. They walked in and were supported by the police. They removed the consignment of our client, destroyed those consignments.
KUGERERA WAKIRI wao DANSTAN OMARI ene PATIALA ni mateteire njohi ci makiuga ni cikinyanĩire ikiro ciothe na ho kuhitukio ni ruhonge rwa kuramata wagiriru wa indo KEBS hamwe na ruhonge rwa ungania wa magoti KRA.
I have full instructions again, and I've done that, to write to the EACC, the Ethics and Anti-Corruption Commission, to investigate the two legislators, because that conduct of yesterday is contrary to Chapter 6 of the Constitution of Kenya and the State Officers Code of Conduct.
Nona gukiri uguo ruhonge rwa KEBS rugite ni rwamukirite mateta maigana ona megie wagiriru wa njohi ci na kuheana mwerekera irugamie mihang'o ya uthondeki wacio itua riria rirarakite Palatia.
All the other entities plus the government chemist cleared the drink. There is competition, and we cannot allow, as the defenders of justice, business rivalry to be used to shut down such enterprises. We shall be moving to court for any government entity that will succumb to the politics of the Mount Kenya region to try to close such business.
Njohi iria yathukangirio muthenya wa Jumatatu yari ya muigana wa ciringi milioni 4. Ngiribotera Kameme TV, ritwa riakwa ni Mumbi wa Shege.